Good morning, everybody. Let's start with the very first topic of class 11, binary number system. Number system is a way to represent numbers using digits. For example, decimal system, binary system, octal system, hexadecimal system. What does base stands for? If I say base 10 for decimal system, that means I use 10 digits for this system. Binary system says base is 2. Binary system uses 2 digits 0 and 1 to represent numbers and so on. Why do we study binary number system? Binary system help us to build a foundational understanding of how modern computers process and stores information. Digital hardware relies on binary logic. It prepares you for field like programming, coding, and data encryption. What is the use of binary number system? Language of computers. All computer works using zeros and ones. It is used for data storage, store text, images, audios, videos in binary only. Data processing, perform calculations and logical operations. Digital electronic also uses binary number system. It is used in all computers, smartphones and calculators. It is used for communication too. Enables digital data transfer over the internet and mobile networks. Binary is the foundation of all modern digital technology. Let's start with the very first question, conversion of binary to decimal. We can see a number 1011 binary number. How do I know that it is a binary number? It is a binary number because it is showing this base 2 to decimal. Now, to convert a binary to decimal, we start our count from 0, 1, 2, 3. How it works? Digit 1, I can see here, multiply 2 to the power 3, which is here. Digit 0, multiply by 2 to the power 2. Digit 1, again multiply 2 to the power 1. Digit 1, multiply 2 to the power 0. After solving, I get 8, 0, 2, 1. Adding all 4 gives me number 11. So the decimal number for this binary number is number 11. One more example for binary to decimal. Convert 1101 to decimal. Now again I'll start with the same. I write 0, 1, 2, 3. Again digit 1 multiplied with the power 2 to the power 3. Digit 1 multiply 2 to the power 2. Digit 0 multiply 2 to the power 1. Digit 1 multiply 2 to the power 0. Solving gives me 8401. Adding on gives me 13 as the answer. The next, decimal to binary. Step 1. Divide the number by 2. Note the remainder. Continue dividing by 2 until you get 0 or 1. Read the remainder from bottom to top. Let's see how it works with the help of the example. Decimal to binary. Convert 13 to binary. Here we can see the number 13 we are dividing by 2. I get 6 as a question, 1 as a remainder. Again dividing 6 by 2. 3 as a question, 0 as a remainder. Again dividing 3 by 2. 1 as a question, 1 as a remainder. I have got my remainder 1. I'll stop here. Now, how do I read? From bottom to top. My direction of reading binary number will be 1, 1, 0, 1. So my answer is 1101. I cannot write 1101 without the base 2. Otherwise, I may also read it as 1101. So I have to represent that it is a binary number with the base 2. This is another way to represent the answer for the same question, 13 decimal number to binary, where we have used a division form. 13 is divided by 2, 6 is divided by 2, 3 is divided by 2 until we get 1, and the remainders are written in a separate column. One more example for decimal to binary, convert 10 to binary. We can see dividing 10 by 2, 0 remainder, 5 is the question, 5 divided by 2, 2 is the question, 1 is the remainder. It continues till 0 or 1, and my answer is 1010. Now, few questions for your practice. After attempting, ensure you check your answers. I hope the topic is clear. Class 11, Applied Maths, Binary Number System, Conversion from Binary to Decimal, Decimal to Binary. Thank you.